Would you be interested in getting some world-class help on how to build a course, how to price your course, and how to launch it into the stratosphere and be uberly successful in your online business? Well, I think most of us would be up for that. And right now, you can actually get that straight from Kajabi. You might be watching this video because you're interested in Kajabi. I'm going to tell you about something right now that you got to jump into, and it won't be available forever. They haven't told us when this is going away, but Kajabi has reopened the Idea to Income Challenge. This is something that they had available earlier this year, and it was massively successful, and they've opened it back up for you to jump in right now. In this video, I want to walk you through what the Idea to Income Challenge is, how it can help kickstart your Kajabi journey, and how you can get started with all of it for free using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. If you're going to try Kajabi, you might as well use my link because you get a couple of things. One, you're gonna get my $25,000 course launch email template. This is something that I give to anyone who uses my link that ends up signing on to Kajabi. What this is are the exact emails that I used when I launched my first course and made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I learned a lot from that process, and I developed a system for how to launch courses, and I want to put that in your hands to help you get started in your Kajabi journey. In addition to that, by using my link, you also get the Idea to Income Challenge, which we're going to get into in this video. So what you want to do is go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi. That's right here. And you'll see this video, which is me saying hi. You can try Kajabi for free, get the course launch email template, but I've added this. If you go down to the bottom, you can take the Idea to Income Challenge. So you still get the course launch email template, but if you want to take the Idea to Income Kickstart Challenge, which I highly recommend, then definitely go down to this and click on this link right here, which will open up this page and will give you an opportunity to get signed up. So you get the course launch email template and you get access to the Idea to Income Challenge using my link. And I get a small commission in return because that is an affiliate link. So if you're gonna use Kajabi and you appreciate these videos, the tutorials, and the reviews that I do here for you, then I would so appreciate it if you used my link because that definitely helps support this channel. But either way, I wanna tell you about this challenge so that you can know a great way to get started on the platform right now. So let's dive into the Idea to Income Kickstart Program. I want to mention that the Idea to Income Challenge first came out a few months ago, and it was uberly successful. I think something like $690,000 was made by students getting started on Kajabi in that period of time. That's amazing. They highlight some of those numbers here, but basically what that means is people just like you, just like me, got started on Kajabi, went through this material, built a course, uploaded it, launched it, priced it, sold it, to the point where they made a total of nearly $700,000 between all of them. That's amazing. Kajabi is so powerful. I love it for so many reasons, but one of the things I love about it so much is that they're constantly trying to help the students, their users, you and me, to get going on this platform and to accomplish our dreams of owning and running our own online businesses and being paid for what we know. That's the exciting thing about this. Just think about this: idea to income. So you have an idea, you have a thought, and they're going to show you how to take that idea, take that thought, take that curiosity, take that possibility, and turn it into actual income. That's an exciting thing. They say, ready to turn that idea into income? Get step-by-step guidance on how to create a digital product. Okay, that's like a course or membership site, a mini course. Design a sales system and market to your audience, plus dedicated support along the way. Inside the Idea to Income Kickstart program, you'll have a proven system to follow, plus all the user-friendly tools you'll need right at your fingertips when you sign up for a 14-day free trial of Kajabi. So once you're here, you just click on start the 14-day free trial, start free trial, and you'll be able to get going right away. Turn your knowledge, skills, and passion into a profitable digital product. The numbers are in. Kajabi's Idea to Income Challenge was a success for many new entrepreneurs starting from scratch. With 14 heroes making over $10,000. So remember I told you $690,000 total, but there were 14 who made over $10,000 in just a few weeks, and one even earning over $50,000 in a matter of weeks. We know this system works, they say. The challenge is over, but you can still get the same content and bonus material these entrepreneurs used to springboard their success when you sign up for a free trial of Kajabi. Bring your idea plus your entrepreneurial grit. By the way, don't ever be intimidated by the word entrepreneur. Don't be intimidated thinking that that's not you. I used to feel this way. I used to think, well, other people have this entrepreneurial gift. They have this entrepreneurial spirit. And I just want to make money, right? I just want to make passive income. But what I've discovered is that anyone who looks at something and sees a problem that needs fixing, that's entrepreneurial thinking. Anyone who looks at someone doing something and wants to help them do it better, that's entrepreneurial thinking, especially when you attach paid products to that, where you say, hey, I can help you do that. And to make this as excellent as possible for you and to make it worth my time, I'm going to build this product that you can buy. So don't be intimidated by words like business or entrepreneurial, because that is all of us who desire to make something happen online, to serve people, to help people, and to put something in their hands that can really, really change their life. That's a good thing, and don't ever be intimidated by that. And we'll show you a simple, repeatable, step-by-step system you can follow to turn your idea into income. Plus, you'll get 14 days free to build the foundation of your new business using Kajabi's robust suite of easy-to-use tools, which, by the way, if you do jump into Kajabi and you want some help, definitely check out this playlist right here where I walk through a lot of different features on Kajabi, show you how to build a course, show you how to build a sales page, show you what it looks like on the inside. That's all right here in that playlist. Here's what you'll do in the Idea to Income Kickstart Program. Module 1, pricing your offer. During this module, you'll focus on creating your digital product. You'll get step-by-step guidance as you build a product, upload a video, and create an offer. Module 2, packaging your offer. The focus of this module is creating your sales flow. With the guidance of our success team, you'll build a sales page and create a form to capture leads. This is vital because these are the components of a successful online business, and they're going to walk you through step by step how to do it. Module 3, launch your offer. This is where it really gets fun. In this module, you'll learn how to successfully launch your product and make your first sale when you build an email list, send an email broadcast, and start earning money from your own online business. You'll also get exclusive success strategies from entrepreneurs who already have thriving businesses on Kajabi. So here's some bonuses. How to choose between a course or a membership site. That's huge. How to leverage a membership site. Perfectly position your price point. Marketing strategy for your product. How to be confident in your business. How to price your product and grow your email list, setting up a sales page. Like, that's all incredibly valuable information. And what I love about this is these are people not just from Kajabi, but these are people who use Kajabi to make their businesses thrive. So you get it all. You get help from Kajabi. You get help from people who are using Kajabi at a very high level. And you get a free trial that is risk-free. If you get through the 14 days and you don't like it, just cancel and you're good to go. So again, go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You'll see my pretty face here at the top. You'll want to scroll down to the bottom. You'll see the Idea to Income Challenge information here. Click on this button, Try Kajabi's Idea to Income Challenge. That will take you to this page, and you'll just click on Start Free Trial, and you'll get set up just like that. So I can't wait to see what you do using the Idea to Income Challenge. Again, if you use my link, you get the $25,000 course launch email template. You get access to the Idea to Income Challenge. Let me know how this goes for you. I can't wait to see what you do. In the meantime, check out this playlist. Again, the one that I made here on Kajabi. These are my reviews and tutorials. I answer all kinds of questions about the platform, its features, and how to use it. So right there, click on that, and I'll see you in that playlist.